So I'm here in Athens, Clark County, where the tornado siren is going off. We are under a tornado warning. The date is August 1st. The date is August 1st, 2018. And it is not looking too pretty out here, guys. It has completely stopped raining. It is dry as a bone on these roads. It was just pouring down rain earlier. First time I've ever heard this tornado siren actually go off. We rarely have tornado warnings here, and you can see it's pretty quiet, except, sans the siren. And I'm wondering where the big storm is. I have no idea. No idea where it's coming from. It's looking like it might be over there. It's looking pretty nasty. Who the fuck is honking at me? You? The wind is pretty non-existent, actually. I'm gonna go ahead and take a turn right here. Almost no wind. Kind of freaky. Just quiet. It's very dark. I'm on the back roads now. Looking for power flashes. It does sound like the tornado siren has been turned off. So maybe the warning has expired. Let's see. Let's listen.
Quick weight loss has been
We're on
costing
advertisements
less
right
than
now. Very little wind, if any. Trying to figure out where the hell this thing is. Let's go back this way.